Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Stop scrolling because whether we like it or not, people judge your video by its thumbnail, and that single image decides if your video gets clicked or ignored. For years, creating good thumbnails meant expensive photo shoots, hiring designers, or spending hours in Photoshop. Today, that's no longer necessary. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high quality professional YouTube thumbnails using AI completely for free. No paid tools, no designers, and no matter what your niche in, this workflow works. Every thumbnail you've seen so far was made with AI, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from cinematic thumbnails to simple, proven styles that consistently get clicks. Let's dive in. So, step one, let's access the AI tools. So, we're using Marina to access AI image generation without paying anything. So, inside the platform, head to Direct Chat, select Image Generation, and you'll see Nano Banana Pro selected by default. This is the model we want. It delivers realistic lighting, strong facial consistency, and excellent detail, perfect for thumbnails. You also notice a plus icon. This lets you upload reference images, which is where the real power comes in. So step two, let's upload simple image reference. So your reference image does not need to be good. A basic photo taken on your phone against a plain wall is enough. You can also use Canva to remove the background. You can also upload logos or assets like brand logos, product images, or icons to combine everything into one thumbnail. Then AI handles the heavy lifting. Your job is simply to guide it. Step three, so let's use a detailed prompt. So the text prompt is important, but you only need to write it once. So you need to describe the environment, the lighting, the expression, the style, whether it's cinematic, photorealistic, YouTube thumbnail, etc. So if you want accuracy, you can even ask ChatGPT to generate a detailed description of your face using your photo and reuse that same prompt forever. This locks in facial consistency so the thumbnails always look like you. Once everything is set, hit generate. And here's the result. Look at how amazing is that. Next is to fix the aspect ratio. Most AI images generate in a square format. YouTube thumbnails need 16 by 9 as we all know. So the fix is simple. Open Canva, use the free version. So now create a 1920 by 1080 canvas. Drop your logo or reference image inside. Export it and re-upload the widescreen image back into LM Arena. So go back into LM Arena. Now the AI generates true widescreen thumbnails. No cropping, no stretching. I made another one. So this time I'm using my image and the Midjourney logo. So my prompt was a woman standing in a dark, otherworldly environment. She is holding a glowing green 3D logo of a boat in her hands, which casts a vivid neon light onto her face. She is staring directly at the camera with an exaggerated shocked expression, wide eyes, and slightly parted lips. The scene features misty, atmospheric lighting with a cinematic sci fi mood, and etc. etc. Hit generate, and it created an image of me with the Midjourney's logo. Very, very nice. Step 5 is to enhance it in Canva. So this is still free. Once your AI image is ready, bring it back into Canva. So here's what you need to do. Add bold text, just keep it short. Apply subtle glow or shadow effects. Adjust placement for balance. Keep the message readable at small sizes. Now remember, less text is better. So the image should create curiosity and the text should clarify the idea, not explain everything. Step 6 is to add depth with masking. To make thumbnails look premium, we layer elements. So using Adobe Express free background remover. So just click on it and it will remove your background. Place it over the text. Now, this creates depth, separation, and a high end look without paid software. So, this single step instantly makes thumbnails look professional. Step 7 is to create reusable expressions. So, here's where it gets powerful. You can re upload the final image into the AI and ask for a shock expression, a serious expression, a confused expression, etc. And now you're building a library of your own face, perfectly lit, consistent, and easy to reuse across every video. This saves hours over time and keeps your channel visually consistent. So you do not need the Photoshop, paid AI tools, designers, or photo shoots. With free AI tools and a simple Canva workflow, you can create thumbnails that look cinematic, clean, and clickable at scale. So what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want the prompts I've used, just comment down below. See you in the next one. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. Hundreds of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Remove backgrounds from any image. Upscale images and restore photographs. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in.